Welcome to the Amused Nomad as we continue our Japan travel series. In this video, we're exploring Fukuoka, specifically teamLab Forest, a captivating installation by the international art collective teamLab. teamLab Forest is located on the 5th floor of the Boss Izuo Fukuoka building, an 8-story sports and entertainment center next to the PayPay Dome. teamLab Forest offers two main areas, the catching and collecting forest and the athletics forest. In the catching and collecting forest, visitors engage with their surroundings through an interactive smartphone app, catching various creatures and creating their own collection. The season influences the type of creatures present, with each interaction leading to unique experiences. Download and use the app to catch animals and release them elsewhere in the display. The athletics forest features various dynamic installations. Soft terrain is a very soft, three-dimensional slope. As people walk on it, granules of light burst and flow, changing colors and patterns. Rapidly rotating, bouncing spheres in the caterpillar house is a space made up of spheres that people can jump on. If you bounce on spheres of the same color in succession, the spheres will pop and particles of light will spread out. Balanced stepping stones. When a person steps on a stone, it wobbles and changes color. Typhoon light balls are a group of giant balls that float, sink, turn, and continuously change color. Graffiti nature in a beating valley is the largest of the areas in the athletic forest. All of the various creatures, drawn by everyone, live in the beating valley. Color in a creature on the paper provided and it will be scanned, digitized, and come to life in front of you. This is the waterfall droplets display. On the walls of the Beating Valley, you will also see animals of flowers, symbiotic lives. The artwork is generated in real time by computer programs, ensuring that each visit is unique with no two moments alike. If you enjoy this type of display, or you've seen the other teamLab installations in Tokyo or Osaka, please explore teamLab Forest and witness the magic of art, science, and technology in harmony. Let me know in the comments what you think of teamLab Forest. How does it compare with the other teamLab displays that you've seen? If you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.